Attention now to the big story of the day. The defacement of the Ashoka emblem at a shrine in Jammu and Kashmir's Hazratbal has snowballed into a massive political controversy. On Friday, a shocking video emerged that showed a few people going on a rampage and starting to damage the plaque of the Hazratbal shrine, which had an inscription of the Ashoka emblem on it. Now, the revered shrine underwent renovation recently and was inaugurated by the Waqf chairperson, and the security had been beefed up at the site as the tensions simmered. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has now broken his silence on the controversy yesterday and asked why should the national emblem be put on the plaque of a shrine in the first place. He demanded an apology from those who are responsible, saying people's sentiments have been hurt. The PDP chief, Mehbooba Mufti, also appeared to defend the vandals, justifying their anger.
उस पत्थर पे एम्बलम लगना चाहिए था या नहीं लगना चाहिए था, पहले तो वो सवाल बनता है। मैंने अभी तक किसी भी मजहबी दायरे में, किसी भी फंक्शन में इस तरह का एम्बलम का इस्तेमाल होते हुए नहीं देखा है। तो क्या मजबूरी बनी थी कि हजरतबल के इस प्रोग्राम, इस पत्थर पे एक तो एम्बलम इस्तेमाल, आपने पहले तो लोगों के जज्बातों के साथ खिलवाड़ हुआ, कम से कम उसके लिए तो माफी मांगी जाए।
To have any kind of sculpture or something like that is anti-Islamic. It is not the emblem they were hitting. They were angry. Their sentiments were hurt. And I think what should be done now is that there should be an FIR registered against the Awqaf, their head and others for blasphemy, because they have acted in a way which has created unrest.
Now, the NC MLA Salban Sagar has also linked the controversy to the Bihar elections, claiming that the incident appears to have been planned, keeping in mind the upcoming assembly elections.
ये बात हमारे दीन की है, मजहब की है, हमें इंश्योर करना चाहिए कि रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट हर्ट ना हो, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, कहीं न कहीं हमें ये लग रहा है कि ये शायद प्री प्लान है। आज का जो माहौल है, मुझे लगता है, मेरी राय है कि इलेक्शन का माहौल है, मुल्क में किसी जगह पे बिहार के इलेक्शन को दिमाग में रखा जा रहा है, एक फ्लेयर अप किया जा रहा है और कहीं न कहीं इसको बिहार इलेक्शन के लिए एक्सप्लॉयटेशन का एक समा बनाया जा रहा है।
Breaking updates now coming in the entire controversy. There's a first reaction coming in from the centre. The Minority Affairs Minister has weighed in, condemning the attack on the emblem, saying the Hazratbal shrine is a symbol of peace. So any vandalism that has taken place is condemnable. This is the first reaction that is coming in from the centre amid the big controversy that has broken out, the engraving of the national emblem on the renovation plaque of the Hazratbal shrine, sparking a controversy with many local residents being seen. The mob was seen attacking it and also defacing it. These are the visuals on the screens. My colleague Sohail is also joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sohail, the centre has now responded and has condemned this act. This comes amid many leaders from Jammu and Kashmir extending their support, so to speak, to the vandals, or saying that their anger is justified.
Well, yes, the Union Minority Minister has now responded with in fact, condemning the incident. He has posted all this, in fact, on X. This is a signal that the central government is of the opinion that such acts cannot be tolerated at all, because we have seen Bharatiya Janata Party in Jammu and Kashmir also, in fact, countering National Conference and People's Democratic Party arguments, and in fact coming strongly against this particular incident that took place on Friday in Dargah, Srinagar, Hazratbal. National Conference, People's Democratic Party and other local regional political parties in Jammu and Kashmir had basically gone against J&K Port chairperson and in fact questioning the requirement of this national emblem on the plaque inside the premises of the shrine. But yes, now focus in fact is on police investigations, and we are being told by the sources that police is analyzing the video which has gone viral showing people smashing this plaque, and second, the CCTV footage of the entire entire premises of the Dargah Hazrat Bal. So there will be investigation. In fact, we are also learning from the sources that over a dozen people have been detained and they are being questioned in this with regard to this case, with regard to this incident. They're also basically questioning about how those people basically managed to bring in stones inside the Dargah Hazrat Bal shrine. So all this is under, in fact, now investigation. It's being investigated and it's under lens. Detentions have started. Police has in fact set an investigation into motion, and those people in fact who were present at the spot are being questioned, and those ones who were seen in fact defacing the national emblem there inside the premises of Dargah Hazrat Bal. Police sources telling us that strong action will be taken against them. As central government has already basically and Jammu and Kashmir Waqf Board chairperson already called it act of terror and in fact threatened to go on hunger strike if the action is not taken.
Yes, because the action belies the Hazrat Bal shrine, which is a symbol of peace. That's a reaction from the centre as well. Do stay with us. The BJP has also countered what the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir have been saying, and they've called the attack on the emblem unacceptable and accused Chief Minister Omar Abdullah of indulging in appeasement politics.
It is a symbol of our national sovereignty. हमारे राष्ट्रीय स्वाभिमान, राष्ट्रीय संप्रभुता के प्रतीक पे जिस प्रकार के वैंडलिज्म की खबर आई है, ये संविधान के आदर्शों का अपमान है। ये बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर के द्वारा निर्मित संविधान का अपमान है। जो लोगों की चुप्पी है, जो तथाकथित तुष्टीकरण करने वाले सूडो सेकुलर्स, उनका यहां पे मुंह बंद हो जाता है। आपको चुनना पड़ेगा, आपको राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक आप उसके साथ में हैं या आप धर्म के साथ में हैं या आप तुष्टीकरण के साथ में हैं। सबकी शांति है। राहुल जी चुप क्यों हैं?
जो अशोक चिन्ह है, ये हमारे देश की निशानी है और इस निशानी को तोड़ने की किसी को इजाजत हम नहीं देंगे। जो रास्ता उन्होंने चुना, जिस तरह से उन्होंने बिहेव किया, ये उसामा बिन लादेन वाली लाइन है। अगर इनको इतना ही एतराज है तो पैसे लेके अंदर वो दरगाह में क्यों जाते हैं, मस्जिद में क्यों जाते हैं, पासपोर्ट लेके वो अंदर क्यों जाते हैं?
देखिए, उमर अब्दुल्ला चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, वो कुछ भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि वो तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति करते हैं। अपीजमेंट की राजनीति करने वाले लोग इस तरह की बात करेंगे, लेकिन अशोक स्तंभ पे हमला करना, मुझे लगता है जो राष्ट्रीय पहचान है, राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह है, उस पे हमला करना ये आतंकवादी गतिविधि से कम नहीं है।